Yeah, you had to tackle it.
That was embarrassing. Hi everybody, it's Dollkat's World, and like we're at the beach. We're trying to get the umbrella set up. Last time it was very embarrassing. It blew away and I had to tackle it and everybody was watching and laughing. This is so embarrassing. Alright, you don't have to film me digging.
Thank you for trying to fix Aunt Dollkat's umbrella. It's broke. Aw, the fork should do it. How sweet. Thank you, I think you fixed it. Do you like the beach? Are you having fun?
You don't look like you're having fun.
Are you gonna go in the water with Molly and Amy?
What?
No? Molly said.
Boogie board.
You want a boogie board?
No.
No? Aww. We'll get you in.
Yeah, let's go in the water.
No, because I want a boogie board.
You're gonna boogie board in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay down on my bed and people are gonna buckle me.
It doesn't have a buckle, hon, on the boogie board. There's no buckle.
This is a boogie board.
It's not a boat. See over there? Those are the boogie boards. Do you see them?
Yes, right here.
That's a boogie board.
Do you want that?
You want to go on that?
Yeah, they have some seatbelts too.
There's
Aw,
no
she
seatbelt.
wants a seatbelt. God bless her. How is it, Amy? I almost got knocked over. Is it? It's freezing. It's freezing. We gotta get used to it. This is New Jersey water, brown New Jersey water. Well, Molly and Vanessa refuse to go in it. Let's ask Molly why. Molly, why won't you go in the water?
Flesh-eating bacteria.
She thinks there's flesh-eating bacteria.
The beaches would be closed.
There's no flesh-eating bacteria. Really?
Somewhere.
There's not. Really? You're ridiculous. Well, Vanessa will go in.
No.
You don't want to go in the... Why?
Because it's too scary.
It's scary. You're worse than Molly. I don't know who's worse, you or Molly.
Here, let's try to get you down.
No.
Nothing's gonna get you.
Nothing's gonna get you, Nessa. It's fun.
It's okay. Look, Amy's in.
The water's not coming up.
Look. It's
Ready?
It's
How about
okay.
whenever a wave comes, we'll lift you up and go, woo!
Yay!
Watch.
Are you okay? Oh, the poor thing. It's not.
No.
What are you scared is gonna happen, Nessa?
I don't want to go to water.
Oh, why?
It's scary.
We're not gonna let anything happen, okay?
No.
Aw, the poor
Ready?
thing.
We'll go like this whenever a wave comes.
No.
Is that fun?
No.
What?
It's warm now.
Amy's used to it. We gotta get used to that cold water.
So I actually have some Dollkat fans here. Let's see if they're here for me or Grim. They just came over to say hello.
Hi guys.
Ashlyn, Libby, and Connor, and Nikki.
Hi. I was just filming right now.
Oh, they were trying to
Do you watch my show? You do? Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
Everyone, see what a good job I did on her hair. It looks amazing and professional. I did a good job. I've been getting some inquiries about people want me to do their hair. Do you like it?
I love it.
Even though it's pink and not purple?
I love it.
See, she loves it. Pinks have more fun. Pink hair people.
Yup.
Do you girls want pink hair? Everybody wants pink hair. See? You did a fabulous job. I'm so proud of myself.
It's nice out.
It's so nice. See, we're having a sisterly bonding time.
At the beach.
It's very nice, but the water's cold. And stop. She keeps checking out the lifeguards over there. I don't know if you guys could see. Let me zoom in so they can see. But anyway, why don't you go pretend you're drowning? And they can come and rescue. And they can rescue you. Because she keeps looking over there. Look, you can't stop looking. She's obsessed.
I can look at what I want.
Oh my God.
I'm not gonna go flop myself in the waves.
Well, help me.
I'm not that desperate.
I think it would be funny. Like, we would be entertained. So why don't you just go pretend you're drowning? Oh, come on.
No, I don't want to go pretend I'm drowning.
See, she's too shy. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. If I liked them, I would pretend I was drowning.
A lot of these girls that drown like that, their top comes off, they get flopped up on the beach.
See, that's what she wants to do. You have this planned out. You said your top's gonna fly off. Oh my gosh.
That's your plan.
I'm gonna try to convince her, guys. We'll see if it happens. If it does, I'm filming it. I'm filming it if it happens. So we're walking to the bathrooms, and while we're here, we can't help resist that there's a store, and I'm a shopaholic, so we're just gonna take a little peek in if you can hold it, and we're gonna go over here and like see if there's any cute stuff. I can't help it. Okay, so we had to race back to the car to put more time in it, and we're gonna move the car closer because the cops around here are so mean. If you're a minute over the time that you paid for it, we'll give you a ticket. It happened to me last year. So I did buy something in the store. I bought myself some cute sweatpants, and I bought Molly, I hope she likes it, this really cool wave ring, and it was expensive, so I'm gonna surprise her with that, and hopefully she likes it. So, and Amy wants an icy, so we're gonna go get her one of those too right now. Very neat. I'm a good sport. I hope this is like safe and that I can get out okay. You guys will unbury me, right?
Yeah, why would we leave you here?
Alright, hurry up, come on. Alright, just watch the face. Oh, it's heavy. Like the dirt feels really heavy because it's wet. Just watch the guy.
Make sure she's buried deep.
Real deep. It's getting heavy. Like sinking to the ground. Maybe we'll find out. You don't care. Next time it's your turn. Alright.
Next time. This time.
Somebody needs to come over here.
You're the tester.
I think we buried someone a few years ago. Didn't we bury Melon?
Yeah.
We did. We buried her deep.
I can walk.
Don't you dare walk on me, it hurts. Ow. That really hurt. I wish you didn't walk on me.
Here they come.
There's one single come today. Come eat my sister. There's one single. I can get some right there. Eat. Oh my gosh, please. Get the freaking. I almost ripped the leg off. Molly, help me. No, because if those seagulls come, get the freaking pretzels. No.
We should have got a sandwich and put it on her head.
Probably. Stop moving! A sandwich would have worked better than a pretzel. Oh, there's one. Chasing out.
Alright, I'll bury you now. That's what you come.
Oh, well, I'll bury her.
Just my arms, and then maybe I can unbury my legs.
No.
Daughter. Alright, it's time to go. Are you good now? Wait, let's stop.
Back it up.
You guys are so mean.
Nessa, come on.
Nessa, will you unbury me?
No, come on, leave her there.
She cares about me.
She belongs in the dirt.
Look, she's gonna help.
She's putting more on you.
She's gonna help me. Ew, I think there's like a sand crab on my butt.
Oh.
What the heck are you doing? Stop throwing them at me. You're so mean.
Bye.
Nessa, please.
Come on, Ned. Don't unbury that bitch.
Really? I'll buy you an ice cream.
think they're seagulls.
The pretzels are buried now, so they'll have to dig. Okay, so I got freed from the sand thanks to my niece Vanessa. No thanks to my mean bratty sister here, or my bratty children who enjoyed. You guys enjoyed burying me, didn't you?
I did.
You wanted to see me be attacked by seagulls. They're so mean. Yeah, Vanessa's back there because my sister had to pack our car like we're going camping for a week.
We are.
we're not going camping for a week. She was gonna leave me there, legit. If it wasn't for Vanessa, and everybody was staring at me, they all wanted to see me get attacked by seagulls. You are so lucky. If a seagull landed on my head.
My bathing suit's been untied. What if?
So you've been flashing people this whole time?
So why wouldn't
you did it on purpose because of the lifeguard. Oh my gosh, she's a creep, guys, total creep. But anyway, Molly, Amy and I, when we went to go put some more time on the car, we got a surprise for you because I'm such a nice mom. So I bought you this.
Ooh, a waiver.
I remember last time we were in the store, you really wanted it. You like it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so we're headed home and we all need to get bathed. And I'm going in first because I have sand in places you don't want to know. You guys are so mean. But anyway, thank you for watching our crazy beach day. And please like this video and subscribe to Dollkat's World. Say bye.